What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And we hitting up a mall because, man, I just hit up a Nike outlet and it was kind of booty, dude. So, yeah, let's go see what's up. All right, we are stopping by South Bay Galleria, low volume mall, dead mall. But yeah, I'm looking for some specific stuff. Let's go. All right, I'm dying to hit up the Shiekh, but we're going to start from the top, go bottom. All right, let's go. Let's go. Man, they do got these, and I'm. Oh wait, it was 140 at that other spot. It's 160 here. Damn, I should have just got it at that other spot. 140. Oh man, cool. You dumb as hell, man. What you tripping, dog? Saw it for 140 at one of the other stores. I don't know how. Damn, that's far as hell for me too. Oh well, man. I gotta grab those eventually. That is the Kobe PE version of the Iverson. Damn, questions. This one's decent too. It's all right, but man, I gotta get that one. Forget that. But man, I'm just kind of low on funds right now. Oh, this is. I thought this was like a New York Knicks colorway. This is the Wheaties, Jordan 1 mid Wheaties. They have T-shirts. They have all kinds of merch with the Wheaties logo and stuff on it. Not too bad. $1.25. The leather's hella mediocre though, of course. Damn, they still got these. Are these gonna go on sale? If these went on sale, oh my god, I'd be so happy. This is 12 and a half though, so damn, dude, this is fire. Do got the aquas here, that nubuck upper, got that teal. Is that teal? Teal bottom right there. Okay. $2 for them aquas. They also got these. Just saw that at the Nike outlet. It was just one size, so. Winter is about to be over, so we know these are gonna go on sale soon. I bought so many of those for like $10. Bought them for all kinds of family members. Just gave it them. Cherry 11 Hydros. They make they make slide versions of the retros, and this is one of them. Yeah, these are dope. 65 though, man. That's just hella pricey. Damn, them Hydros, like 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, I was grabbing them for $20 a piece at so many different spots. Those were the days, man. Those were the days. MB1 still got a few of those. I can't believe it. Those are sold out everywhere. MB2s, we've seen that at a bunch of spots. What these go for? 140. Then we do got some Donovan Mitchells. I haven't seen issue 3s in a while. Holy crap, $60. I got multiple colorways going for $60. What a freaking price. And they're normally $110. Then even got some Donovan Mitchell 4s. I don't know. I'm not really digging these. That fool's hooping though, man. That fool's killing it. He's killing it on his new team. He's happy as hell. Damn. Got some clean gazelles. I'm a fan of this blue. Really pops. Holy crap, $100 for these. These are clean, dude. Wow, that's fire. $100, man, really pops. And then Superstars, if you want extra stripes, 3 stripes not enough, you get 6 of them on this one, and you do get them at a discount. Kind of interesting how they did the color blocking. Haven't really seen that before. $80, normally $100. Okay. I was gonna say time for the next spot, but look, way across the way I see 70% off sign right here. Pro Standard Doyer. Is this for men or is this for women? These are skinny as hell. Goddamn, my leg wouldn't even fit in here. Holy crap. That is a small. This is an extra large. Still super skinny. What the hell? This is an XL, so $100 down to $70. That's crazy. That shirt, don't tell me that includes this shirt right here for $70 off. There's no way. Probably just this. Has camo Dodgers. Ooh, camo Lakers too? I just don't really do camo like that. But $100, $30 off. That's crazy right there. Yeah, there's no way it includes these shorts. That would be bad. $80 for those shorts. Got a couple Dodgers shorts right there. But yeah, I'm sure 70's just for this right here. That's crazy. I did talk to the worker. Yeah, these shorts are thin, dude, and I'm trying to wear thinner stuff, but like I don't really mess with camo on them. They just got XL and small, so Neither of those gonna fit me. But damn, not bad. Not bad. $100 down to 30. They do got jerseys. All regular price though. You know, I don't really do regular price for jerseys. 50% off some of the Champs merch right here. This is actually pretty dope. Oh, this is Champion. My bad. I'm tripping. Champion merch. So $75 down to $37.50. This is $65. So what is that? $32.50 for that one. Did I really say Champs merch? Like, what the hell? What the F am I talking about? That's actually fire, dude. That is Adidas right here. I've never seen this sweatshirt, hoodie. $85 for this. They got it in black as well. That looks clean, dude. That looks hella clean. Good for you, Adidas. Y'all know I paid full retail though. Full retail for hoodies and stuff like that. I don't think I've done that for any of my stuff. They got Champ Sporting Goods merch right here. CSG gear, 70% off. So was that $18 for that? You know, they got deals. They got deals here, you know. $5 t-shirts for the Champ Sporting Goods. So with those colors, man, that's a little wild. All right, let's go on to the next one. I saw that sign over there that says up to an extra 70% off. I was like, what? But that's not lids, man. That's Tilly's. All right, let's look around here. Let's look around. I don't foresee too many crazy steals. They still got deals here. You know, clearance sale, not any additional discounts, but look, this Giants hoodie. This is a kid's large. 55 down to 25, so not bad. Ram shirts for women going for 27, normally 40. Fanatics men's hoodie going for 35. Bronco shirts 43 down to 30. So slight sales, not crazy, but do have 2 clearance racks. Do got little discounts, and then they do got jerseys, and these are on sale. They're just not crazy, like 130 down to 90. Okay, so they still got the jerseys. They still got a slight sale, just not crazy. Like I said, got this jersey. I was able to get mine for $50. It's on sale for $100. So, all right, let's go check out some more spots. All right, let's go. Go quick stop, super quick stop. Do got a resale shop. They weren't open last time. Dang, dude, a lot of the resale shops having some trouble, not tripping. His channel's not tripping, but tripping. He's been talking about a lot of that stuff. That's been very, very interesting. A lot of the resale shops struggling, straight scamming people. All right, do got a Shiekh. This is why I came here. Let's go. So I did talk to one of the workers, just that right there. And that's it, man. Don't really have anything on clearance. Do have the same deal, an extra 60% off. Doyer's new era t-shirts, $25. So is that what, $10 or something? Something like that. They have quite a few sizes. They got that one as well. And I might see no Mitchell and Ness here though. They got Nike shirts, 50 down to 35. Yeah, this is very underwhelming, yo. Very underwhelming. Have a Nike Day hoodie. Got a large right here, 75, 100 down to 75, another 60% off. That's a pretty interesting shirt. Jordan 3 shirt right here, 50 down to 35. So another, damn, it's pretty thick too. That's a pretty dope shirt, but definitely underwhelming. We'll take a look at the sneakers, I guess, but just not exactly what I expected. Wait, but this stuff's on clearance too, though. This stuff's on clearance too. 80 down to $50, so that's on clearance. This jacket right here, $250 down to $160. I believe all this is 60% off. Well, this stuff is on sale too. Mitchell and Ness Dodger shirts, 55 down to 40. So they do got additional discounts. These Dodger shorts right here, so pretty dope. 75 down to 60, so those are under $30. Got Bulls ones right here, $60, 100 down to 60, double XL only though. Yeah, so they do got some stuff on sale. I'm just not digging too much of it. So the Hornet shorts, these are down to 40, down to $40. So that's under $20. That's what, $16? $16, normally 80s, down to 16. This is a medium right here. And this is a triple XL. Yeah, so they got sales, man. They do got sales. You know, I had to check this. No, not on sale. I had to try. And then these ain't on sale either, right? Hershiser jerseys, assorted jerseys. No, not on sale, not on sale. Nope. $100 for each of those. Starter jackets, no, not on sale. Not on sale. I gotta check everything because I don't trust them. They're wrong with the info. Oh, actually, wait, look. $100. So these are $40 for these jackets. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. I think this is the women's though. This is women's for $40. That's a small, large. That's hella cheap. Holy crap. This Lakers one. If I was looking for jackets, I'd have them run everything, dude, because certain things aren't marked. Yeah, I would have them run everything. But yeah, these are supposedly not on sale, but they could be because that one had a sale tag on it. All right, let's go back to checking out the sneakers, see what's going on here. All right, I primarily did come here looking for apparel. All right, let's go. Let's go. We got one more shop. Do got one last store. See what's up with the Shoe Palace. That Shoe Palace out in the Inland Empire had all kinds of steals. Maybe we'll get some of that luck. We'll see. Do got Doyer trucker hats. Brand 47. Go for $20. That's not too shabby. That's shabby. Don't see any of the other ones on sale though. Okay. I still don't understand these hats. I know Shoe Palace started selling them before most other spots. I don't know why they're so popular. I don't get it, dude. These young kids, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know. $40 for those too. Jordan section. I'm not gonna sit here and look at all the J's. We've seen all of them. Nothing out the ordinary. They got the Laker 1 mids. That's about it here. Want some cheap jeans? $10. Really can't beat that. What the hell's up with this though? Really? Like really? You want a stallion? Want a freaking horse on your shirt? I don't know. Or Elvis? Oh, it's $10, I guess. We got the hoodies here going for $20. These are some pretty decent hoodies though. They're not bad. Not really seen too many sales items. Not really seen too many things that we haven't seen before. Yeah, we're gonna hit up another spot. Let's go. All right, out. Next stop, Micro Center. Time to geek out, get some nerdy stuff. Oh man, reminds me of fries, man. Reminds me of fries. Computer case, computer parts. I also have a graphics card at home, and then it's coming out to what's that? 1900. And I already spent 1800, I think. So damn near $4,000 for a computer, gaming computer. Damn. 1900. I'm already 1800 in. Actually, that's a little. No, I thought it'd be under. I thought it'd be like 3700. I budgeted, so I went a little over budget. So 19 plus 18, 37. I thought I spent like 3500. 37 on a computer. That's why I'm not buying sneakers, you guys. That's why y'all see me not buying a ton of sneakers right now. Man, I've already spent a ton on this as well as other stuff.